today I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So here are all the ingredients you will need. So here I have one chicken breast. So I boiled it in the water and then I put a little bit of turmeric powder and salt. So then I ripped it apart like this. Then here I have three medium potatoes that I baked. Put a little bit of turmeric powder. And then here I have one green chili. You can use more or less. And then I have some curry leaves, coriander leaves, garlic, ginger garlic paste, and one medium onion. After you got all your ingredients, we're gonna go fry it over there with the oil. You need half teaspoon of jeera and mustard. And I put a little bit of oil to get it heated. So when it's done heating, we're gonna start put in the mustard. Make sure it's gonna be starting to bubble everywhere. Be careful. Now I'm gonna put in the jeera. As you can see, you gotta be very careful. The oil splatters everywhere. Now in the coriander and the onions. Now gently mix it together. So the onion, the curry leaves, the jeera, and the mustard is all mixed in together. Green chilies. Add in the ginger and garlic and nicely mix it. Add in the chicken and mix it very well. So nice. Make sure to mix it well. I'll put a little bit of salt for how much you want. Potatoes. For color, I'm going to be adding a little bit of paprika powder. Sorry, chili powder. I'm just going to garnish it with some coriander leaves. So now after this is done cooling for a bit, take some oil. After taking some oil, make sure to put some in your hand. Just so when we are making the balls, it'll be easy. So then take a little bit with your hand and just start making it into balls. You can make big ones or small ones, or even medium. So this is where the balls come. Okay, so this is pretty much look after you're done rolling them. So I've just finished rolling them into balls. And now we're going to be coating them in breadcrumbs. For coating them in breadcrumbs, you will be needing 2 eggs and breadcrumbs. Make sure to nicely beat your eggs so it's easy to coat the balls. You put the balls in the egg. Then transfer right into the breadcrumbs. So I've already done 2, and this is how I coated these balls 2 times in the breadcrumbs, and now I'm gonna go and fry them. Time to fry the balls. Make sure to put them in one by one. Make sure to put them in very gently or they will start breaking apart. You guys can see it's so golden brown, so take it out when it's very golden. Okay guys, so I just finished frying them and there's still more frying, but this is what I have right now. So if you like this recipe, try it at home. But now I'm gonna try it to see if I like it. So here I just have a regular dipping sauce. It's really good, very tasty. Kids to adults will definitely like this recipe. This tastes like something from the restaurant. Make sure to try this out at your house. Make sure to like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. Bye!